What's up, guys? Welcome back. So if you guys are new to the channel, my name is Beaver, my channel Full Ventures. I'm currently building out my 2025 Ram ProMaster so I can full-time travel in it. I'm actually headed there right now. Just did some last minute touch-ups, so we're gonna go get the van out the shop right now. It's that time, guys. Cleaning everything up. Got the truck bed full of trash. Everything's mostly cleared up right here compared to how it was. Putting the bed frame in. We glued down the countertop yesterday, the stove. I just need to put this faucet secured down because it's in there now. The sink's secure. I'm gonna put some little locks on here so this doesn't move. We're getting the bed frame in there and just cleaning up, doing some minor touch-ups here. And like I said, we're gonna continue to finish this on the road. I'm gonna put a bench here, closet here. And you guys watched one of my shorts. I mentioned that these are wired wrong because this is not a 12 volt inverter, it's a 24 volt. So those batteries need to be wired in series. So unfortunately we're gonna be hitting the road without power. But as soon as we get somewhere, we're gonna rewire those. You have to force it in there, it's alright. Chill, chill. Her first time being outside in months. Ready for the road. Like I said on my last video, we're just gonna go ahead and get on the road. We're gonna worry about finishing it on the road. I kind of been in the talks with someone who is pretty experienced in this kind of work. So I'm hoping to meet up with them. It's still gonna be maybe like a week or so out before we meet up. So for now, we're just gonna see where the road takes us. I'm gonna go planning as we go because like I said, I don't have any plans. I just really want to get on the road. For now, this is it. I'm pretty excited. I still gotta put a bunch of stuff in here. I'm gonna probably load up in here all my seasonings and stuff like that for the kitchen. I installed these locks yesterday. I hope they work pretty good. I mean, I can kind of feel they have a little bit of a grip on them, so I hope everything stays inside of it and doesn't come flying out, which I'll probably will experience like every other van lifer does. Apart from that, I mean, we got our Victron display right here, and then in here as well. This is where my clothes, most of my clothes is gonna go in here. I am gonna travel pretty light, so like I've said before, I really don't need nothing too crazy. I also have this storage up here that I can use. But I mean, if you guys have been here from the beginning, then you guys remember when this van was straight just empty, didn't have anything. And now we have cabinets, we got the bed, we got the water tank back there, electrical. We got this cabinet, got my water stuff hooked up down there already. Just need to get the power to it. This, like I said, I'm pretty excited, guys. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous and excited, but more than anything, I'm excited to see what this journey brings us. Once we get linked up with who we're linking up with, and you guys will see that because I'll vlog it. We're gonna put a bench right here, like I had mentioned. And then right here, we're gonna put a closet because I want to have the fridge come out from under the closet. And then I want to be able to hang a couple things up here. And then right under the bench, I want to be able to use it like a storage as well and keep things under there. And maybe use a little part of it for the portable toilet as well. But yeah, we got cleaned up as much as we could in here. Once I get to my parents, I'm gonna grab the Swiffer and clean inside of here a little bit. This black piece needs to go screwed back on back there where the wires are hiding. And that's it. Take it to the car wash, probably clean up the dash a little bit and stuff like that, wash it from the outside. And oh, I ordered these like baby locks. They're supposed to go here and it's supposed to help it from opening up, so probably put one right here for this, and then probably for this one too, just because I don't want these doors opening up while I'm driving any of these. So I hope this works. If not, then we're probably gonna have some type of issue down the road figuring out how to secure this down so the doors ain't opening up. But apart from that, I think everything should stay in its place pretty well. I think we did a pretty good job of securing everything where it needs to go. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and leave the shop right now, and we're gonna go finish loading up our stuff. Plan is to be on the road early tomorrow morning, so trying to get everything done, make sure our registration's good, our tags, everything's on here right, and then see where we end up tomorrow. By the time that this video is out, I'll probably already be to my next location. So yeah, stay tuned guys for where this journey is going to take us and how van life is going to go for us. Basically full time now, because on my last van I was actually kind of in between doing work still and traveling, but this time we built this one to be full time. So yeah, I'm excited to see. I know I keep saying that, but I really am excited to see where we end up with this journey. So with that being said, I'll pick you guys back up once I get to the house and we start loading up all the stuff in here. All right, our first drive with no locks or nothing on the doors. Let's see what happens. All right, that was a pretty decent bump right there. Nothing fell. I was like, what do I hear? But it's my speaker back here rubbing. Also, that stove, I'm gonna have to take those what do you call it, the burners off, because there's no way to secure them down. When I bought that stove, I didn't realize that, so I'll probably have to take those off while I drive, and then whenever I'm gonna use it, take them out and put them on. So that's that noise you guys hear. And then the doors on the stove top and the cabinet there is what you hear. Went over some tracks right there. I'll take a turn here. Hope nothing falls over. So good, so far so good. Alright, so I didn't notice, but this little drawer right here opened up. But I got those things in to lock it, so I'm gonna probably put it here. Or maybe right here, stick it here. We'll see. Or right here on the side. I'm not sure what will be better. That way it doesn't swing open again. So quick update guys, I haven't even started packing because this is one of my other cars, and the battery, I took it out for winter because it's back here and I didn't want it to go bad in the snow. Well, it turns out it went bad. I took it to the auto store and they said that it's a bad battery, but they're gonna charge it overnight, which we've been charging it since earlier. I'm just gonna leave it here. My dad's gonna take care of it while I'm gone. So just wanted to give you guys an update on that. And then check it out, no more van in here. It's empty. Got the van at the house. Just gonna go and load everything up. This is all just scrap wire trash that's left over. Just wanted to come and double check, make sure I didn't leave anything behind. I seem to have gotten everything, so just gonna say goodbye to my baby right here. See you in a couple months maybe. And now we're gonna go ahead and pack guys, so I'll check in with you guys then. All right guys, so we made it back to the house. In this tote I have kitchen stuff like seasonings, pans, stuff like that. In this one I have like all my outdoor gear, hygiene stuff. And then this is the pole for the curtain that's gonna sit up there in the front, blocking the light out. This one here is gonna go across right here to hold anything flying that way while I'm driving. just for now, until I get that piece closed off there with some wood. But let's get this loaded up here so we can go shower and get the rest of our stuff inside ready. Damn, it's actually too short. So maybe what I'll have to do is from here to here. Maybe just like that. I think that might have to be the move. I just don't want the totes or anything flying while I'm driving, so I think that's gonna have to be it for now. Another thing we're gonna want, oh no, what? Why is it doing this now? What? There we go. I was like, no way. It was just working. I want to see how this is going to fit into here. I mean, is it gonna work? Is it not gonna work? See, on this side it's flat. On this side not so really. It's got a curve. Got a curb. Need to find a point where let's see, let's put the curtain in. Just in case we get it in there. We don't gotta take it back out. And if there's some different curtains that you guys recommend, let me know. These are just like the regular ones that I bought at Walmart, but I'm sure there's some other ones like that are good for like insulation and that are a lot darker that keep light out. So let me know. All right. I think I found a way. I hope. I mean, honestly, I think that's gonna have to work for now until I figure something else out. What do you guys think? I need some longer ones because you can see it's open down here. So I'm sure from the front you can see the light, you know, a little bit. Even over here on the side. So yeah, let me know for options on curtains because look at how it kind of slants down too. It's not the best, but it'll do for now. Now we're gonna get the tote in on the bottom, and then we're gonna see what we need up here for our kitchen stuff, and then we're gonna put the locks on these. And then I am taking tools with me, impact, tape measure, stuff like that I might need, and basic tools. But that's kind of how it's looking back here in the garage area for right now. Whenever I get somewhere else and I have the locks on the doors, then I'll start organizing everything where it goes. But as you can tell, it's pretty dark outside. I still need a shower and wash some clothes and wash the sheets for the bed so I can have fresh sheets. So once we're done with that, I'll check back in with you guys. Good morning, guys. It is now the following day. I ended up rather taking a shower and packing up the rest of my stuff instead of trying to organize the van. I figured I would just do that once I get somewhere to camp out. So right now I'm just finishing loading up some of my clothes and trying to get rid of some of this stuff that I have in here that I don't need to have in here because it's staying here at my parents', so let me just finish that up and then we'll get on the road. Alright guys, bittersweet moment. I'm leaving my parents' house, leaving all my stuff behind, and the sun is blinding me. But we're about to get on the road. We're gonna head west, southwest I think, and yeah, let's see how it goes. I wasn't able to put the locks on my drawers, so hopefully they're not open. I see one already opened up, but I might put them on here in a bit. I just don't want it, I want it to be a little hotter, that way they stick better. But I want to take this time to give a shout out to everybody who's been supporting the channel, everybody who's been supporting me, like my family, my uncle for helping me on the build, on the stuff that we did get done, and all the continuing viewers of the channel. Hopefully this journey takes us to a good spot. I'd really like to keep doing YouTube, you know, but we'll see what happens. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, with that being said, we're about to get on the road. So once this video's out, I'll probably already be to wherever my first stop's gonna be, and I won't see you guys until then. But for those wondering if I didn't cut my hair, like I said on one of my last videos when I was first starting the build almost, I said I wasn't gonna cut my hair until I left. So there it is. Still got my hair, and I'm not gonna cut it till I get to wherever I'm going. So it's a little messy right now, but I can't wait to show you guys the after once I get it finally cut off. But anyways, with that being said, let's start driving. Like always, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.